God.
Steal the luggage though. Are you hiccuping?
Like who's?
She's still hiccuping.
Because I want to bring somebody out, because maybe that would cure my hiccups right now.
Did that work?
I think maybe only McDonald's
Oh,
can cure
shit.
this.
Oh, we need a Big Mac stat.
Wow.
Big Mac.
Wow, really?
Yes.
The flash, it scares me.
There's no flash. It's a video.
Oh, God.
You phased yourself with your own pseudo flash.
It seems like only a cheeseburger is going to cure this.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Maybe some french fries. And some smiles.
Some smiles?
Nice.
Oh.
And some free
Cash smiles.
1, 2, 3. Don't cross the street. Safety, danger, danger, safety. Danger, safety, safety, danger. Don't do it. You're wearing my tights, but I'll forgive you. Those are mine. Oh, you wounded yourself.
You didn't.
Oh my God, that was an accident.
I got stabbed in the knee.
Yeah, you did. Guess who stabbed her? This guy.
That guy.
This guy. Uh-oh. Far West.
Busted.
Also known as Stabania. Do you guys know that?
Busted.
He fucking ran away from...
Scared.
Yeah.
Scared.
He was scared.